Mundu urabatara gukuwirwo mirigo akihuthira reri kuma mwena wa Mombatha yerekeirio Malaba ni aguithiirio marihi maria ararihaga na gicunji kia 50 harĩ igana. Marihi maya maguithitio kurumirira mateta maria makoretwo kuo mabururi-ini ma Afrika ya irathiro magukumithia marihi maiguru maria makoretwo makihinyiriria onjoria.
We have about 3 trains. By tomorrow we have 2 trains. One coming from Mombatha and another one coming from Malaba. Another very important thing is that we have started seeing exports being handled through our line, through the railway system from Uganda.
Kuguithio kwa marihi maya gugukorwo gukiingihia mirigo iria ikuagwo na reri na ningi kunyihia thiku 4 iria irahuthikaga gukinyia mirigo na no mathaa 28 marihuthikaga.
Is out to make sure that the movement of cargo through the railway system is efficient, is reliable, is safe, and that is why the rehabilitation of the 465 kilometers is a landmark. It's a landmark for us because we were moving at speeds of around 30 kilometers the highest per hour. And now we are able to do 50 to 60 and our maximum speed is 80.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa reri Philip Maingĩ, container iria irarihagirwo ciringi 135 na 600 iria irihagirwo muigana wa ciringi 90,400 marihi maria maguithitio na ciringi 45,000 undu uyu ugitanyo kwarahura wonjoria wa bururi.
So that at any one time we have about 5 or 6, so that our maximum time that we want to carry on transfer of cargo is 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes the train should leave Naivasha ICD for onward journey.
Anyiti itemi bururi wa Kenya undu umwe na Uganda ni maiguithanirie ndeto ino, maingi akiuga kurikirira gwa guthondekwo weru kwa reri ya kilomita 365 ya Rongonoti guthie Malaba no gugukorwo gukihuthia ukuui wa mirigo iria twaragwo bururi wa Uganda hamwe na DRC. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.